Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to hide reposts on TikTok. First, open the TikTok application on your device. Go to your profile and tap on these double arrows to open the repost folder. As you can see, we have all of our reposted videos here. Now to hide them, tap on these three horizontal lines in your top right corner. Then, go to Settings and Privacy. Tap on Privacy. There is no specific option available here to hide our repost videos only. So, we just need to make sure our account is private to hide them. So, turn on this toggle. This is given right next to the private account option. Doing this will make your reposts private and only people that you follow or allow to follow you can see them. This is the only alternative option available to make your reposts private. But keep this in mind, this will make all of your videos and account private. If you enjoy this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.